Assalamualaikum and good morning to my lecturer, Associate Professor Sabayang Sumati binti Harun. My name is Amysha binti Ismail from Group AP2245B. The topic that I'm going to present is about environmental management in construction project management. So regarding to my topic, which is environmental management in construction project management, the thing that I will explain in my presentation today is about environmental management system (EMS). So basically, what is EMS? EMS is the part of an organization overall management system which enables it to manage its environmental risks, achieve and control the expected level of environmental performance, and provide a structured process for achievement of continual improvement. And EMS supports environmental protection, biodiversity conservation, ecological sustainable development, and resource sustainability. EMS also can be used as an aid to identify and reduce the operation impact on the environment, introduce controlling routines, and establish tangible environmental goals for improvement. The next one is the elements of EMS. Firstly, the primary purpose of EMS is to determine which aspects of the business have an impact on the environment. Once it identified, these components are systematically managed to achieve better control and performance. The first component or element of EMS is environmental review. An initial environmental review is required to identify all the organization environmental aspects and impacts. The second element is environmental policy. The organization's environmental policy is the most important steering document and describes the elements of an organization's environmental activities. It defines the ambitions and mission relating to these activities and should ensure that they are truly adopted by the organization management group. Running an effective EMS will help the company with these benefits. The first benefit is EMS will improve resource efficiency and reduce unnecessary expenditure. There will be policies and procedures in place that help the company to manage waste and resources more effectively. This can reduce associated raw material and operating costs. Next, EMS also will provide better regulatory compliance, and EMS will help to become legally compliant and will reduce the risk of fines and adverse publicity. Next, the EMS will benefit the company with lighter regulation. Even if an EMS is not a regulatory requirement, by showing the commitment to environmental management, the company may benefit through less frequent site visits or reduced full fees from environmental regulators. Otherwise, EMS also will affect the sales and marketing. Large business and government departments may only deal with business that have an EMS. It can be vital for successful tendering and meeting supply chain requirements. Lastly, EMS will improve the business reputation. Increased awareness and control of the environmental impacts can improve public relations. Running an EMS will also help to improve the business green credentials. So the company I choose for which related to my topic, environmental management in construction project management, is IEN Consultants Sdn Bhd. IEN Consultants Sdn Bhd is a leading green building consultancy in Malaysia and has more than 10 years of experience and expertise in energy efficiency and sustainable building design, sustainable master planning, and green building certification. The services provided by this company is more to environmental services. This company is led by John Manson, which is the non-executive chairman of the company. So what is done by this company? They optimize building in an integrated design process with the rest of the design team to achieve supreme energy and environmental performance and optimal indoor air quality, which is IAQ. The vision of this company is buildings and transport are low carbon and in balance with what the earth can handle, and then the mission is to develop and demonstrate low carbon environmentally friendly buildings and to practice a low carbon professional life regarding transport and office premises. This company has applied PDCA model as flowchart or work progress. So first, plan, which means they recognize an opportunity and plan a change. Second is do, whereas they test the change and then carry out a small scale study. The third, check, which means they review the test, analyze the results, and identify what they have learned. And the last one is act, which means they take action based on what they learned in the study step. The standard used by this company is ISO 14001. ISO 14001 is the international standard that specifies requirements for an effective environmental management system (EMS). It provides a framework that an organization can follow rather than establishing environmental performance requirements. Using ISO 14001 has many benefits for organizations with environmental management system. Organizations and companies find that using the standard helps them, such as in improve resource efficiency, reduce waste, and drive down costs. The next one is the procedure applied in this company. For the stage 1, which initial planning stage, where they develop schedule of mitigation (SM). Mitigation planning in construction is an essential step that project management teams must take to outline all the potential risks to a specific project. The next stage is preparing construction environmental management document (CEMD). CEMD is a draft document that is informed by the findings of the environmental impact assessment (EIA) and its provisional schedule of mitigation (SM). And then the stage 3 is preparing construction environmental management plan (CEMP). Next, stage 4 is environmental clerks of work and site environment manager, whereas a specialist role requiring a unique set of skills to allow the most effective delivery and value to the project. And the last stage is operation and maintenance. Operation and maintenance (O&M) include all aspects of running a building over the course of its useful life. Because of the far-reaching nature of O&M, a well-designed and properly executed program is critical to the overall success of a sustainably designed facility. And then the document used by this company is Environmental Management Plan (EMP), which EMP is a guidance document for measuring and achieving compliance with a project's environmental protection and mitigation standards, which are frequently needed for project limits and approval. The outcome will minimize the risk of costly, time-consuming environmental issues while maximizing productivity, bottom-line performance, and goodwill. So this is one of the project, the ST Diamond Building, which is the first platinum office. The ST Diamond Building is a landmark energy efficient and environmentally friendly building for the Malaysian Energy Commission Suruhanjaya Tenaga in Precinct 2 in Putrajaya, Malaysia. The building underwent a genuine integrated design process, with climatic design playing a key role in giving shape to the building. The ST Diamond Building was the first office building obtained the highest green building certification both in Malaysia, GBI Platinum, and outside of Singapore, Green Mark Platinum. As it called environmentally friendly building, there are innovative sustainability features applied in this diamond building. The first one is conducted green building design charrettes. The second feature is detailed daylighting simulation radiance, and then the third grey water cycling system with mini wetlands. And then the building also have a detailed energy simulation (AES) and the rainwater harvesting. Lastly, they have applied sustainable material selection, which for example like carpets, paint, and plaster box. So because of this building built environmentally and act as energy efficient, there are certification and awards have been received by this building. The first award received is Green Building Index GBI Platinum 2012. Next is Green Mark Platinum Award. Plus, this ST Diamond Building have been received the Asian Energy Efficiency Award 2012 as the winner. And then on 2013, this green building has awarded as X-Ray Technology Award 2013 as the runner-up. And lastly, on 2014, MGBC Sustainability Awards 2014 as winner awarded to ST Diamond Building. Before I end my presentation, let me say one meaningful quote regarding to my topic. The quote sounds like, understand the worth of Earth, treat it with care, and give love it deserves. That's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.